Hi dear fam, welcome to my vlog. एक second ना. Sorry, for some reason my phone doesn't focus when I wear a t-shirt. I don't know क्या problem है, aperture कुछ problem है शायद. तो हर बार मेरे को ऐसे t-shirt निकालना पड़ता है vlog के लिए. So hi dear fam, I keep getting messages every day. Like हर दिन inbox में 1 से 2 messages होते हैं of you guys asking me about my daily routine and I've decided that हाँ ब्लॉग ही कर लेते हैं इसको, है ना. वेलकम टू एन ऑफिशियल डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ टियर ट्राइसेप. माई डे बिगिंस अर्ली. एवरी डे आई वेक अप एट 5 AM इन द मॉर्निंग बिकॉज यू नो हाउ द सेइंग गोज, अर्ली बर्ड कैचेस द वर्म. बट इसमें मैंने छोटा सा एक ट्विस्ट भी डाला है, द वर्म दैट ओवर स्लीप्स गेट्स ईटन फर्स्ट. तो हर लाइफ के हर सिचुएशन में दोनों साइड से सोचना बहुत जरूरी है. वेदर यू आर द बर्ड लुकिंग फॉर वर्म्स और द वर्म trying not to get eaten, both sides you have to think. That is the secret to leading a successful life. हमारे startup circle में इस saying पे हमने एक और twist डाला है, the early entrepreneurs first. ये भी हमारा एक ट्विस्ट है इस चीज पे. ये एक सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है. हर रोज रात को सोने से पहले तुम सोचो, तुम सोने जा रहे हो लेकिन क्या बिल गेट्स अभी सो रहे हैं? नहीं, क्योंकि टाइम जोन अलग है और वहां पे सुबह है. तो अगर बिल गेट्स जगे रह सकते हैं तो तुम क्यों सो रहे हो? तुम्हारे सपने देखने का टाइम आया है? नहीं, तुम्हारा टाइम है सपने जीने का. तो इसीलिए मैं तो सोता ही नहीं हूं. जैसे कि आप लोग मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स को देख सकते हैं, आई जस्ट डोंट स्लीप. Okay. After that, it's time to feed my cat. Lot of people feed their cat food like Whiskas, dry food, wet food, but that is non-veg, and non-veg food is tamasic. It builds negativity. So what I do is I feed her only vegetarian protein powder. So it is sattvic food, also protein, helps in muscle building. Just 1 scoop every day. Micha? Come here. Micha. She likes generally. Micha. No. Okay, cut. So every day I spend at least 30 minutes meditating, because meditation gives me like this peace and calm and perspective over life. I get like an out of body experience, which makes me look at things in a very different way. But what I slowly realized was that when I'm spending 30 minutes meditating, I'm not really doing anything else, So I'm wasting that 30 minutes by not being productive. So what I do now is when I'm meditating, I use my out of body and do like 4 sets of push-ups in those 30, I do push-ups while I'm meditating, or I even read a book at the same time. So the productivity is still on, So currently I'm reading this book by Yuval Noah Harari, it's called Sapiens. You'll see that not that many people have read this book because, most people are afraid of tackling something that is, more than 1,000 pages long and stuff like that. People get scared. But when you lead a life that is constantly on a quest to success, 1,000 pages is nothing. So yeah, but it's a lesser known book. It's not that famous, but I would highly suggest that everybody read this book. Another book that I would really highly suggest is The Subtle Art of Not Giving Up. It really exemplifies all the things that, even our Vedas and Upanishads have been talking about. So yeah, these 2 books, you'll realize that they're not easy to read, but if you get through it, for sure, it will change your life. It'll change your life. Recently, I saw this very educational video that Sanju Baba had made long back about how men should wear black a lot, black shirts and t-shirt. And I agree with that actually. That's kind of my philosophy also. I only wear black or white clothes. That's my wardrobe. It's either black or white, like solid colors, Women are attracted to men who wear black clothes, sharp black shirts and t-shirts. That's what women like. If you think about it, there's actually a very evolutionary reason for women liking black. As we all know, human beings were hunter-gatherers. Men would go out to hunt, right? So men would go in the morning when it's bright, and they'll come back at night when it's dark. So women only see them in the dark. It's all black. So what has happened is that that attraction has developed over centuries. So now when women see a guy who's wearing like nice black clothes, she looks at him and she's like, oh wow, this guy is a good hunter. He'll hunt for the things that I need. You know, he'll hunt for the things that women need. And whatever those things are, I don't know what women, like a US visa or whatever women need, those things. So that's how black colored clothes is like a symbol of success, like a statement. So yeah, it's simple, it's science. It's Sattvic science. The main difference between Sattvic science and science is that Sattvic has science in it, but science doesn't necessarily have Sattvic in it. Sometimes science is non-veg. I'm also part of this movement called NoFap. Actually, not just a part of it, I'm a huge advocate for the movement. It's basically a movement where all of us men say no to masturbation. Because masturbation is, that's right, it's tamasic, which makes NoFap sattvic. So the idea is semen contains a lot of nutrients and minerals that are very beneficial for your body, and every time you jerk off, all of that just gets wasted. So what NoFap essentially does is that you retain all those nutrients and minerals, and once you retain them in your body, they start flowing upwards. They flow upwards into your whole body and mainly into your brain. So your brain is filled with this nutrients and minerals. So now your brain has a lot of, the technical term is brain cum. The objective for this movement is to have a lot of brain cum. I don't even waste tears because even tears have salts and minerals and stuff. So what I do is every night after I cry, I save those tears and use them in my protein shake in the next morning. So by having a lot of this brain cum, we can devote our energy into spiritual and other aspects of our lives where we focus on success, goals and mission statements that we have in our lives. We focus on all those things and not on simple bodily pleasures like masturbation. The only orgasm we have is the orgasm of success. Not to be confused with successful orgasm, that's a different thing. That's the opposite of what I am trying to say. To that extent, I don't even have a Netflix subscription because, watching people actually express love and lust and everything is not good for someone like me who wants to be focused. And once someday when I've achieved all my goals, I look forward to that day. When once I've achieved all those goals, that day I will masturbate. I'll jerk off. And I look forward to that day where I will feel that passionate sense of relief that my body has been looking forward to for all these years. And yeah, like that moment, I will yeah. And when I jerk off sattvically, that day will be a good day. So, yeah. Sorry. What was I saying? Yeah, don't jerk off. Because, yeah.